Hey friends and family, welcome to Marcie Creates. This is Marcie, and today I have an unboxing for you for Bargain Bead Box, one of my absolute favorite subscriptions of the month. For $18, $19, you get quite a bit more for your money, and they always have great themes and beautiful colors to work with, which I like to play with. For those of you who watch me, you know what I'm talking about. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. I love to play with color, and I do have some color theory videos you can check out if you've ever wondered what colors go with what or how to coordinate colors. That's my thing. And so I love to use the Bargain Bead Box as a jumping off point because they get you started, and then you can dig into your stash and make it totally your own. So stay tuned for that. We will have a color inspiration video tomorrow that I will be uploading with this box. So, without further ado, let's go through here. So, if you've never ordered from the Bargain Bead Box, I highly recommend it. It's a great stash builder, as I like to say. And you can shop on their sister site for 30% off all month long. Everything came in this beautiful little green bag here. And as you can see, our theme is holiday cheer. So, it says, as the holiday season approaches, we've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for a celebratory collection packed with gemstones and crystals. Sounds amazing. Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold-accented dolomite, and faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade cloisonne rounds. I love cloisonne. Gold-finished brass and stainless steel findings complete the set. So in our box, we have the identification key, and it looks like the value of the items we are receiving are $78, even though the subscription was $18, $19. So very good value. So we're going to get started here. And the first item, item number 1, is a 15-inch strand of 8mm green quartz round beads. And that's these beautifully beautiful things right here. I love 8mm. Gorgeous green color. Gets you in the mood for the holidays, doesn't it? Nice long strand. Number 2, some gold finished steel filigree bead caps. That would be these beauties right here. Nice bright gold, very festive. Looks like the tops of ornaments. Right away, I'm thinking of Christmas ornaments looking at these two. Number 3, approximately 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in crystal red. Sorry, coral red. So we can definitely see the Christmas theme. Look how sparkly those are. Wow. Gorgeous. All right. Number 4, an 8.5-inch adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord in red gold. Wasn't that nice? Adjustable. Have to play with that. Be cute with some dangles on it. I like the slide feature. Very cool. All right. 2 pieces. Let's see. Number 5 is 2 pieces of 32 by 26mm gold finished brass textured diamond pendants. That's these guys. I'm getting a lot of Art Deco vibes this Christmas season from various boxes and just different things that I'm seeing, and these definitely have an Art Deco feel to them. Love the gold. All right, number 6, 2 sets of stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasps in gold. Nice. It's one thing I like about this box. You have different findings. You can make several different projects all within the same box, which is super nice. All right, number 7. 13.5-inch strand of 4x3mm faceted multicolor quartz rondelles. That's a mouthful. So look, we have our green and our gold and our red, but now we have an introduction of blue. So stay tuned, because this is a little nod to our colorway coming up for our color inspiration series that I'll be kicking off tomorrow. So, nice set of rondelles. And 8, oh, these are the cloisonne 5 pieces. Nope. Yes, 5 pieces of 10mm handmade cloisonne enamel with the flowers. Also very festive for Christmas. Very holiday. Number, what are we on? 10? 9. Here's the barrels. 5 pieces of 10mm crystal faceted barrel beads in coral red AB. So, I love the barrel shape, and I love that they've got the coating on here of the Aurora Borealis, which is this rainbowy coating. For those of you that have not heard the term before, Aurora Borealis is also known in the beading community as AB. If you see AB next to a color when you're shopping for beads, that means they've coated it with kind of a rainbow, like these guys. Very pretty. Okay, approximately 11-inch strand of 6mm crystal blue cube beads. Really? Crystal cube beads, not blue. Green shimmer. I think I need new glasses. That's on the agenda after the first of the year. Aren't those pretty? So a lighter green. Love the facets on the cubes. Also super sparkly. Beautiful. I'm loving it. All right, 10-piece strand of 10mm mountain jade dolomite rounds. That is number 11. So these are not real jade. It's the jade color. The dolomite, they've treated it with some dyes, it looks like, and they've got a little bit of a gold finish, which is really cool. Kind of a green gold there. So we're getting different shades of green. And it looks like some different treatments with red. Lots of gold accents so far. That was number 11. Number 12 is a 9x12mm golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. That must be this guy. Ooh. So that's beautiful. You can see the sparkle. If you know anyone that loves snowflakes, that is a really pretty dainty, but very pretty focal piece. Would be nice on a bracelet too. You could, it's got loops on either side, so you could do a bracelet. Very pretty. All right. Number 13. 10-piece strand of 9mm faceted diagonal cube crystal beads in red. Love this cut. This is a nice deep red. Definitely think cranberries, pomegranate. Those are also super, super shiny and crisp and sparkly and festive, like we like our holidays. All right, 14 is a 40-piece 4x3mm gold finish solid brass spacer beads. Okay. Definitely can use spacer beads, always. And these are a very nice brass, a solid brass, and a bright gold. Just going to pop those in there. Number 15, 7.5-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in red gold. Ooh, I love it when they do this. I love the two-tone beads, and that gold with that red is really something. Nice long strand too. Isn't that gorgeous? Definitely thinking Christmas here. I don't think you can mistake this palette for anything else. 16 is a 39x25mm quartz and 18 gold plated copper wrapped donut. Ooh. So for those of you who like the look of a wire wrapping and haven't delved into that yet, you've got one already made for you, which is super sweet. Look at that. I really like that. Those of you that do know how to wire wrap, that is a very cool idea, just to wrap a side of it and do loops on either end. I may have to explore that in a tutorial. Let me know if you'd like to see me try this in a tutorial. Let me know in the comments. Okay, 17, last piece. Last but definitely not least, it's beautiful. 40mm enameled gold geometric medallion pendant in red and gold. Isn't that beautiful? I'm looking to see if there's, okay, there's a little tiny hole up there so you can hang it. It is super thin. Yeah, it will bend, so just want to warn you. You could glue this onto another piece. You could also glue stuff on here, but look how ornate that is. Definitely looks like a Christmas ornament to me. Or a beautiful, or like a miniature ornate rug. Like you could just see a tree, little tree. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so here I am seeing definite, let me pull out a plate here. Let's just play for a minute, as we like to do. So if we pull our plate out, definite, we got our green, our Christmas green, right? All that. Well, of course we have our Christmas red. So red and green are opposites on the color wheel. And so they really do give off a vibe. It's one of the reasons why it's so popular. And then you've got these gold accents. And there's our medallion. And this is really the only, so here's what's interesting. Well, we'll talk just a minute. We'll have a little color huddle. Let's have a color huddle. So, very traditional Christmas, right? Red, green, gold. Now look at this gemstone strand, because you've got an introduction of some blue. So without the blue, it's beautiful. I'm going to scooch in just a bit. Now add blue. So already we kind of have a little bit of a nod from Bargain Bead Box, other directions we could go with color. You could certainly pick up more blue. And that is your only hint that I'm going to give you for what we're going to do playing with these colors coming up in the next couple of weeks. But I do love this traditional, I'm excited to play with a traditional color scheme, like a red and green color scheme for Christmas, because we're gonna do some fun things with it. So stay tuned for that color inspiration video. That's going to come out tomorrow night. So eye candy, new bargain bead box. So we're going to have new color inspiration. I've already got everything pulled and ready to go. A couple of you mentioned you like the big reveal of the new colorway, so stay tuned. It's coming tomorrow. And as always, thank you so much for your kind comments and tuning in. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Absolutely having a blast, and you all are terrific. I hope you're doing well and you're staying safe. And I will see you on the next video.